Today is January 19th, 2019, and this is episode 18 of PlaneSavers. Man, look at that sunrise over at Millenor at 737-200. Yeah, I just want to show you guys that. It is Saturday morning. It is minus 25 degrees Celsius. I forget what that is in Fahrenheit, but it would seem like it's warm, but there's a wind. Oh, so that minus 25 feels like minus 40. I think today I'm going to show you guys some statistics and show how the channel's grown the last week. So yeah, let's go inside, warm up. My GoPro is acting really weird. I think I'm using this camera filming every day. I think I might have wore it out. So let's go in, let's start today, and let's see some numbers. Okay everybody, let's dig deep into the YouTube analytics and see how much we've grown in the past week. Let's flash back to last Saturday's episode and see what our numbers were, and then let's see what our numbers are today. So last week we had a net gain of 15,000 subscribers. That's over 2 weeks, and our total at the time was 15,800. Our new subscriber total right now is 20,353. That's a net gain of 4,553 subscribers this week. Last week we had 2 million watch minutes. This week we almost doubled it, reaching 3.75 million watch minutes, which is a gain of 1.75 million. Total views last week were 370,000 views. This week we've added 290,000 views for a total of 665,000 views. Last week our YouTube revenue was $0. This week we've actually got $307.93 because we're now approved for monetization. Okay folks, let's move on to the whiteboard and I'll show you the revenue for this week. Okay, so right off the bat, as before, we got $300 from YouTube. Thank you guys for watching the ads. eBay, we got $1,330. T-shirt sales were $1,800 for a grand total of $3,430 that we raised this week. So what does $3,400 mean towards a project? Well, that almost covers actually 2 full months of Airbnb-ing for, say, a 4-bedroom apartment in St. Hubert for the crew. So that's 2 months of lodging we did in 1 week. So let's keep up the good work. The different levels here. Thank you, everybody who's watching this is contributing to this level. Cliff, man, in Australia, that's all you, man. Thank you. One dude. And the t-shirts for all 90 people that ordered and bought the t-shirts. This is you. And so everybody that is currently watching this video is contributed to that amount, even if it's a half of a cent of a penny for watching an ad. I thank every single one of you people for watching and contributing, because all you gotta do is watch and you're gonna help the plane. Okay folks, so we're just in the hangar with my father, and not much going on right now. Saturday, a couple flights in the air right now, but the hangar's kind of empty, and I thought I would ask my father to explain to you guys a certain nose art that's on AVO. AVO right here is our C-46, and so, hey Dad?
Yeah, we got this airplane in the early 90s, and then I researched it. I found pictures of it working out of Lufthansa in Germany, and it had that nose art on it. So as I cleaned off the old paint, I found the decal of the old Lufthansa bird on there. So anyway, I put it back on because we get a lot of very interested people from Germany come over to look at our airplanes, look at our country. And I put it on there and sort of in tribute to the people that would have supported this airplane back in the 50s and the 60s when it was based in Germany. So as long as we have it here in Buffalo, it'll always carry the streaking raven up there, whatever you guys call it in Germany.
I don't know, is it a crane? I think it might be a crane.
Anyway, that's what it's on there for. It's on there just in tribute and respect for the all the German people that come to look at our airplanes and enjoy our area and our country, and the vastness of our country is what they come to look at. And when you see that on the airplane, it gives them a little feeling of recognition.
So a big question I get all the time is DC-3s. You've flown DC-3s since the 60s. Why didn't you want to fly the C-46?
Well, yeah, I got rated, did all my training on the 46, but to keep up to speed with all the new training regulations, one airplane is enough to fly and still run the business. And I was on the 4, I was on this, I was on the 3, but one time the business grew to the size where I was only able to maintain myself in one type of airplane, and of all the airplanes I chose the DC-3.
Now, on the other side, your summer airplane here, the N3N, what's it like, trading the DC-3 in for the weekend warrior here of open cockpit flying?
Well, no, that's really nice. Maybe the odd guy likes to jump out of his Cadillac, jump out of his motorcycle, and go down the highway for a breeze. Jump out of an airplane, jump into the open cockpit, biplane, and you go for a little breeze around town, and it's very nice to fly, and it's quite a thrill, I guess. Some people may want to snowboard or ski or surf or do many things, and I just like to cruise around in that.
Okay, Dad, so we just came up with an idea off camera. So this is going to go live tonight. So tomorrow, being Sunday, we're going to skip church.
No, I got to go to benediction. We can skip church, but I'll be in benediction.
So tomorrow,
I got to wave a little incense around the holy people.
So
I got to pose you of your sins.
So tomorrow, Sunday, we're going to do a Buffalo Joe episode. He's going to show us behind the scenes with all the cars, motorcycles, and all that fun stuff that Ice Pilot's never ever really shown, but a lot of people ask you about it.
Well, yeah. Well, the cars it's wintertime. Most of the cars are put away right now. To find the cars, we got to go down to the barge.
But
I'd like to go into a frozen barge at 40 below, look for cars.
But there's some cars. We'll go to the auto shop, look at some cars, and we'll do a car tour tomorrow. So Sunday, car tour. We'll take a break from airplanes because it's a weekend. We can do whatever we want. And then Monday is going to be a super special episode. I can't wait. We found a lot of history. The logbook hunting episode really opened the floodgates. We got some really cool stuff. And one of the Buffalo DC-3s here has a really cool history. And we're going to dive deep on that on Monday. But Sunday, tomorrow, it's going to be car episode, Buffalo Joe episode. See you guys tomorrow. And what do you want to say to everybody?
Just go enjoy it. It's going to be a good one.